and then you curve around. Okay? Which one's the easier? This one's the easier, okay? Try it. Just straight line. No, farther over here. Straight line. Then come up. Nathan, that's not a D. This is an uppercase D. Like this.
That's standard.
That's an uppercase D. Okay. Hold the top. Hold the top. Okay. Up. This is how you do it. This. Come up. Around.
No.
That's your D, okay?
Yeah.
That was good E.
I'm gonna do this one.
Sarah got her 2 front teeth pulled out today,
Yeah.
April 4th, 2007. How about your teeth, Nathan?
No.
Fine.
Oh, your hair, Sarah. Okay. Finish doing your work, please.
Okay.
Cheese.
This is movie.
Oh.
I'm sending this to Ama Akong, okay? Say hi, Ama Akong.
Hi, I'm Akon.
Say hi.
Hi, I'm Akon.
Okay.
I hope you like my 2 front teeth that I got pulled out from the dentist.
And you were very guai today.
Oh, yeah, I'm really guai.
Okay. Sit down, Nathan.
When I put like medicine to make it to the sleep,
Yes.
it kind of hurt a little bit, but I didn't cry.
Oh.
See?
See?
Got 2.
Hi.
There's like 2 is coming out. Baby teeth. 1 you can see, but 1's just a little bump.
Okay.
Bye, Uncle.
Bye.
I
Wow.
hope you like our movie that we did.
Okay. I'll send it to
See?
Okay. Say bye-bye. See you later. Okay, bye. Smile. Sit down.